Hi and welcome to a really cold edition of Campfire Cooking with Greenmoxie. And today, thanks to friend and neighbor Glen Brown, we've got some nice fresh venison to cook. I thought because it's so cold we might want to make some comfort food. So this venison backstrap will be stuffed with cream cheese filling and wrapped in bacon and cooked right here on our campfire. Let me show you how to do it.
So the first thing we're going to do is cut up our onion. Let's take half a pack of bacon and cut it into these little squares so we can fry it with our onions. Now let's add our bacon to our skillet. Once you've loosened the fat a little bit and you've greased your skillet, you can add your chopped onions. So once the onions are translucent and the bacon is done, you can mix this into half a block of cream cheese, and that's what's going to make your filling. So you take your piece of backstrap and you start cutting, but not all the way through, just to make a little pocket. Put your fingers and then into this little pocket you're going to put your cream cheese filling. Get that bacon in there. More bacon. Okay, and seal her up. There you go. Right, take the remainder of your bacon and wrap each piece of backstrap in one rasher of bacon. And just tuck it in so that it's secure. Now we're going to place it on some foil. Let's just tuck it in there. There you go. So now we're going to wrap each little portion in its own foil pocket and pop it straight on the fire. Cook your little venison parcels for about 10 minutes, turning regularly. After 10 minutes, you can open up your little parcels and take your venison out and put it straight on the fire just to brown.
Thank you so much for joining us. We really love having you here and we'd love to see you again. So if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.